Hey everyone, welcome back to Healthy Horizons, where we explore nature's best-kept health secrets to help you live better, feel stronger, and thrive naturally. Today, we're diving into a fruit you may not have heard of, but trust me, you'll want to try it. It's called black sapote, also known as the chocolate pudding fruit. Sounds delicious, right? But beyond its dessert-like flavor, it's packed with some serious health benefits. Let's get into it. Black sapote is a tropical fruit native to Mexico, Central America, and parts of the Philippines. It looks like a green tomato on the outside, but once it ripens, its inside turns a rich, dark brown, almost black color. The texture? Creamy and smooth, like pudding. And the taste? Think chocolate meets sweet potato. Pretty wild, right? But here's where it gets even better. This fruit isn't just a sweet treat. It's low in fat, rich in nutrients, and offers a bunch of health benefits that might surprise you. First up, vitamins. Black sapote is especially high in vitamin C. Just one serving can give you up to 4 times your daily recommended intake. That means a major boost to your immune system, skin health, and collagen production. It also contains smaller amounts of vitamin A, B-complex vitamins like niacin and folate, and minerals like potassium, iron, and calcium. Together, these support everything from brain function to heart health to strong bones. Next, digestive health. Black sapote is a good source of dietary fiber, which helps regulate digestion and keeps your gut happy. It can help prevent constipation, support healthy gut bacteria, and even lower cholesterol levels over time. Because it's naturally low in fat and contains no cholesterol, it's also a great snack for those looking to maintain a healthy weight or manage cholesterol levels. Need a natural energy boost without the crash? Black sapote is your fruit. It's rich in natural sugars like fructose and glucose, which provide quick energy, making it great as a pre-workout snack or a midday pick-me-up. Plus, those B vitamins I mentioned earlier help support the nervous system and may play a role in improving your mood and reducing stress. So you're not just fueling your body, you're lifting your spirits, too. Black sapote is also a good source of antioxidants, natural compounds that help fight free radicals in the body. These free radicals are unstable molecules that can contribute to aging and chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. Eating antioxidant-rich foods like black sapote can help reduce inflammation, protect cells, and support overall longevity. It's one more reason to love this chocolatey fruit. So how do you enjoy black sapote? The simplest way is to scoop it right out of the skin once it's soft and fully ripe. But it also makes a great base for healthy desserts, like smoothies, dairy-free puddings, or even as a spread on toast. Some people mix it with a little cinnamon or vanilla for a flavor twist. No added sugar needed. Just pure, plant-based goodness. So there you have it, black sapote isn't just a novelty fruit with a fun nickname. It's a nutrient-packed superfruit with real health benefits, from boosting your immune system and improving digestion to giving you energy and fighting inflammation. Have you ever tried black sapote? Would you give it a go after hearing all this? Let us know in the comments below, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a healthy tip from Healthy Horizons. Until next time, stay curious, stay vibrant, and keep choosing foods that fuel your life.